it's Annie. So let me tell you a story. About a few years ago, I had a crazy situation happen with my car. I drive a minivan. I went to run an errand. I went and parked the car, went to the back of the trunk to get something out of it to bring in with me. About 20 minutes later, I come back and guess what I find? The left side of my bumper has this huge ding in it. For whatever reason, this person decided that it wasn't worth their time and effort to leave a note. Don't let this happen to you, okay? This is the reason I reached out to Vantrue, and they sent me this product to review for you to help you make an informed decision about whether or not this is the right fit. So I got this for just such a scenario. Crazy things happen in life, and you're not always going to encounter the most responsible person. This gives you an added level of protection and surveillance around your car. So if you're parked, it's going to be taking regular pictures whenever there's any kind of movement around the car. It's going to capture people scratching your car, looking in your car, bumping your car. Hopefully none of that happens. But even if you're on the road and somebody is just driving recklessly and decides to cut you off, and maybe there's, an incident, not everybody's totally honest about it. So I love the idea that I have a permanent record, something to prove exactly what happened in reality. So this is a really, really nice set. This gadget records 360 degrees every single place in your car. The video is crisp, it's clear. The 4 channels, you have the front view, the rear view, you have the back inside view, so you can even take a look and see what your kids are doing. And it has the inside front view of you and your driving, along with a record of how fast you are. So if you get stopped and you're not sure if you really were speeding and you want to contest that, you could definitely go back to your recording and it will show you exactly how fast your car was going. Okay? It also has the ability to be voice activated. So if you want to change the channel view within your dash cam, you can do a voice command, which is pretty nifty, if I must say. And it has an app that you can access right from your phone to connect to the Vantrue system and take a look at your video footage right there, as long as you have Wi-Fi. You'll see that you don't need anything else. Everything is included for installation with the exception of a memory card. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we've got here. I could tell you right here, the quality of the packing was fantastic. It's obvious that the company cares that all the equipment is going to be delivered to you safely, which I really appreciated. Plus, it was really exciting to actually unbox this and see all the different components come out one at a time. So here we have the rear view camera. Believe it or not, this is an industry first that Vantrue has led the market in. The unique rear cabin camera captures the complete area of your trunk, your back seat, side windows, so you can monitor your kids, your pets, and also the luggages in your trunk. It integrates with the front cabin camera. That means you're getting a 360-degree complete view of the inside and outside of your car. That means you're going to be capturing any naughty behavior around your car, so you are fully protected. So this is the front dash cam, which has adapted a dual core processor. Did you know that Vantrue is the first to actually create a 4-channel dash cam? Pretty nifty. I've been very impressed with the night vision as well. Even in those kind of conditions, you're going to be able to recognize and have a clear view of the license plates on the road, anything that's really happening. This also gives you the ability to monitor your car 24/7 with a buffered parking mode. That means it's going to be taking images on a regular interval, but whenever the motion detector is set off, it's going to actually capture that moment in real time. It's great that it has the low frame rate mode, so that really saves on storage. It also has a smart voice control that you can use to give basic commands such as take a photo or change the cabin view. So here I'm holding the electrostatic stickers and also a primer, and this is a little sign that you could put on your car if you want. It has an integrated Wi-Fi system that's included free of charge. Here we have the long wire that's going to connect the front dash cam to the back one. And this is a USB plug that's there for your convenience, so you can transfer your videos and photos to your device of choice. And here we have a crowbar. You're going to use this to tuck all the wires into the crevices of your car. And here is one of the mounts that go on the back of the dash cam. And finally, they include some additional stickers for the mount. Well, that's it. Everything that's included in the kit. I hope this was helpful to you. And of course, I'm giving this my high recommendation. I'm truly loving it.